Hi, hi everyone, welcome back, with the third Sudoku, a four-star Sudoku, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 2nd, 2020. So let's get started. All right. I see in this row. In the third row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. But we see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the third row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. Here also an 8, so no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about this big square? 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then how about the number? Six in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then we have a pair here. In this row, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We see here 1 and the 6, so no 1 and the 6 there. Here also the 1 and the 6, so no 1 and the 6 there. Here we have a 1 and a 6, so no 1, 6 in this box. So the 1 and the 6 are left for these 2 boxes. I mark them because those are pairs, 1 and a 6. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 missing numbers now. And one of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now for the numbers 9 and 5. In this row, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Then okay. Well. I need to think. 9 in this column, the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9. I think no, I have not made the mistake. I made the mistake. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box is left for the number 7. 7 is here missing. Then 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Then yeah. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5. No 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. Six. How about these 2 numbers of this big square? The missing numbers here are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 4 missing numbers of the last row, the 4 missing numbers here, one of those missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. Here also a 3, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be here. And then these three numbers in this row, the missing numbers here are the 1, the 7, and the 8. 1, 7, and the 8. I see here 7 and the 8. So no 7 and 8 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 1, 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8 are in these two boxes. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes and there. How about these two numbers in the third row? The missing numbers here are the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. How about 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes. In the row below, we have a 7 over there. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. The missing numbers here are the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes and there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 1. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 5 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Then how about these two numbers in the last column are the numbers 8 and 5, I believe. I marked them 8 and 5, easy to follow. These two numbers are the numbers 7 and 2. Cannot fill this yet, 7 and 2. How about these two numbers in this column? also a 2 with the 2 and the 4, I believe. Yeah, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 7 and 2, and those two numbers in this big square, the number 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7, and this should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 4. And then 8 and 3. How about 4? Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so in the second column, the column between, the only two places for a 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 5 in this row, 8 and the 5. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. It's a little bit quicker than the Sudoku with 2 stars. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper, a binary. And yeah, we will meet again. See you later. Bye bye.